Stop, don't skip this. This might be the moment everything shifts. I'm not here to hype you up. I'm here to tell you truth you have been avoiding. You're tired, not because you do too much, but because you do too little of what matters. Every day looks busy, but nothing really moves. You wake up, grab your phone, scroll other people like, then wonder why you feel empty. Let me say straight, your habits are quietly destroying your future. Not in one big way, in small way, daily ways. How most people lose slowly with excuse that sounds smart. I'm waiting motivation. I'm not ready yet. I will start when life come down. Life never came down. You stay stuck in. So hear this deal. Do this for 21 days. No drama, no perfection, just discipline. Day 1 start tomorrow. First rule, you control your morning or day control you. For the first 30 minutes after you wake up, no phone, no social media, no noise. Why? Because the first things you feed your brain set the tone. And right now you're feeding its junk. Use these 30 minutes to breathe, stretch things, plan your day on paper. Second rule, move your body every single day. I don't care, it's the gym, a walk, push up in your room. Your body stores stress. Movement release it. Most of people feel lost because their energy is low. Energy comes from motion. No motion, no power. Third rule. The hard thing, the thing you keep avoiding, the skill that you scare you, the task that actually matters. 45 minutes, no music, no tap phone, just you and the work. This is where life change. And yes, it will be boring. It will be feel slow. It will be feel uncomfortable. Why this work? Most people quit when stop feeling exciting. Winners stay win is gets quiet. Now let's talk about why you unusually fail. Try to change everything at once. You rely on motivation. You wait to feel ready, but motivation is fake. It's come and goes. Systems are real. They work even when you don't feel like it. You need new personality. You need better daily rules.